Hey teachers, welcome to Chalkboard Wisdom, your new go-to for quotes that get you through the classroom chaos. I've been in the classroom long enough to know that some days you need a little extra inspiration to keep going. That's why I started Chalkboard Wisdom, to share the quotes that lift us up when the going gets tough. So, let's kick things off with 5 quotes every teacher needs to start strong. Grab your coffee and let's chalk up some inspiration. First up, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. This one's for those moments when you're sparking curiosity in your students, not just checking boxes. I love how it captures the magic of teaching, those light bulb moments that make it all worthwhile. Let it remind you why you started teaching in the first place. Number 2, a teacher's day is half chaos, half coffee. Let's be real, when the copier jams 5 minutes before class, this hits home. I've had days where I've lost count of my coffee cups, but somehow we always make it through. Keep that coffee close, because you've got this. Here's the third. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. This is for those days when you ditch the lesson plan to have a real moment with your students. Maybe it's a heartfelt talk or a spontaneous activity. Those are the moments they'll remember. It's the heart that makes the difference. Number 4, teaching is the greatest act of optimism. When you're facing a tough class or endless grading, this quote reminds you that every lesson is a step toward a brighter future. You're not just teaching math or reading, you're shaping lives, even on the hard days. Keep planting those seeds. And finally, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. This one's a gentle nudge for those moments when a student needs a little extra patience. Kindness can turn a tough day around, for you and for them. It's the real lesson we're teaching, isn't it? So, there you have it. 5 quotes to carry you through the school year. These quotes have carried me through some of my toughest teaching days, and I hope they do the same for you. Which one's your favorite? Let's talk about it. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these quotes hit home the most? Or maybe you've got a go-to saying that gets you through the school day. Drop it in the comments below. And if you're loving this, hit that like button. It really helps us reach more teachers like you. Thanks for joining me on Chalkboard Wisdom, where we share quotes every teacher needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration and check out our next video for quotes to survive those faculty meetings. If you know a teacher who could use some inspiration, share this video with them. It might just make their day. Until next time, keep teaching, keep inspiring, and I'll see you in the comments.